the herd.
Eurasian lynx. Silent forest ghosts. Eurasian lynx are Europe's largest wildcats, with adults weighing up to 66 pounds, 30 kilograms. Their padded paws and stealthy movements let them stalk prey, like deer and hares, without a sound. Ear tuft superpowers. Those iconic black ear tufts aren't just for looks. They enhance hearing by funneling sound. Their eyesight is also 6 times sharper than humans, perfect for spotting prey at night. Snowshoe paws. Their wide, furry paws act like natural snowshoes, letting them walk atop deep snow. Bonus, paw prints are 4 inches wide, bigger than a human hand. Loner lifestyle. These solitary cats patrol territories up to 250 square miles, 650 square kilometers. They mark turf with scratches, urine, and calling cards. Poop piles called scat. Conservation comeback. Once extinct in Western Europe, they've been reintroduced to forests in Germany, Switzerland, and France. Today, 10,000 plus roam from Siberia to the Balkans. Lynx kittens, cubs, are born with blue eyes and spotless fur. Their spots and ear tufts develop as they grow. European bisons. Heaviest land animal in Europe, weighing up to 2,000 pounds, 900 kilograms. European bison are continental giants. Males stand 6 feet, 1.8 meters tall, taller than most humans, with curved horns and shaggy beards. Back from the brink. Hunted to extinction in the wild by 1927, they were saved by captive breeding. Today, over 9,000 roam forests in Poland and beyond. A conservation triumph, forest gardeners. Their grazing clears underbrush, letting sunlight reach new plants. Seeds stuck in their fur spread across miles, boosting biodiversity for birds, bugs, and deer. Matriarchal herds. Herds are led by wise elder females, while males live solo or in bachelor groups. Calves stay with mom for 2 to 3 years, learning survival skills. Cold weather champions. Thick fur and a humped neck help them survive freezing winters. They'll even use their massive heads to plow snow for buried grass. Though smaller than American bison, they're Europe's last wild cattle and a symbol of wilderness revival. Alpine Ibex. Gravity-defying climbers. Alpine ibex scale near vertical cliffs with specialized hooves. Rubbery edges grip rocks like climbing shoes. They even lick mineral salts off dam walls in Italy, scaling concrete like it's a mountain. Curved horn champions. Males, billies, grow 3.3 foot, 1 meter, horns with ridges called growth rings to show age. Females, nannies, have shorter, slimmer horns. Males clash horns in loud battles during mating season. Back from extinction, hunted to just 100 left in 1850, they rebounded to 50,000 plus today thanks to Italy's Gran Paradiso National Park, Europe's first wildlife sanctuary. winter survivalists. Their thick, woolly coats and high-fat milk help kids survive freezing temps. In winter, they descend to lower slopes but avoid deep snow. Their kryptonite, all-day grazers. They eat tough alpine plants and digest them with a 4-chambered stomach. To get salt, they lick rocks, a key mineral for their muscle power. Ibex can leap 6.5 feet 2 meters straight up cliffs to escape wolves or golden eagles. European red deer. Kings of the forest. European red deer are the largest land mammals in the UK and one of Europe's biggest deer species. Stags, males, can weigh up to 530 pounds, 240 kilograms, and grow antlers spanning 3.3 feet, 1 meter. Roaring romance. During autumn's rutting season, stags roar to attract females and scare rivals. The loudest, deepest roars signal dominance. Think of it as a prehistoric dating app. Antler regeneration. Stags shed their antlers every spring and regrow them in just 3 to 4 months. The velvet-covered antlers are soft and blood-rich until they harden for battles. Habitat nomads. They thrive in forests, mountains, and grasslands. In winter, herds migrate to lower elevations, munching on shrubs, bark, and even heather when food is scarce. Eco-engineers. Their grazing shapes landscapes, creating open spaces for plants and smaller animals. They're also key prey for wolves and bears, keeping predator-prey balances in check. Red deer can run 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour, and swim long distances. Females, hinds, live in herds with a strict hierarchy, while stags form bachelor groups or roam solo. Red squirrel. Adaptable diet. European squirrels are primarily herbivores and enjoy a diet of nuts, seeds, and fruits. However, they are also known to eat fungi, tree bark, and even bird eggs when food is scarce. Incredible memory. European squirrels are famous for their ability to remember the locations of thousands of food caches, especially nuts, that they bury during the autumn. This behavior helps them survive the winter months when food is less abundant. Tail functions. Their bushy tail is not only adorable, but serves several important purposes. It helps with balance while leaping from tree to tree, keeps them warm in cold weather, and can also be used to communicate with other squirrels through body language. Communication. European squirrels communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations and tail movements. They can emit a sharp, high-pitched alarm call to warn other squirrels of danger, such as predators, threatened by non-native species. In some areas, the European squirrel is being outcompeted by the non-Native American gray squirrel. The gray squirrel is more aggressive and can carry diseases like squirrel pox, which is harmful to the European squirrel population. These little creatures play a crucial role in forest ecosystems, particularly through seed dispersal, which helps in the growth of new trees. Red foxes. Wide range of habitats. Red foxes are incredibly adaptable and can live in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, mountains, and even urban areas. They've successfully adapted to living near human settlements and are often seen in city parks and suburbs. Keen senses. Red foxes have excellent senses of hearing and smell. Their acute hearing allows them to detect prey from a distance, and they can even hear small animals like mice moving underground. Their sense of smell helps them locate food and identify other animals. Solitary nature. Unlike some other canids that live in packs, red foxes are typically solitary animals. They hunt alone and establish their own territories, often marking them with scent markings to communicate with other foxes. Diverse diet. Red foxes are opportunistic omnivores, meaning they eat a wide range of foods. Their diet consists of small mammals, birds, insects, fruits, berries, and even leftover human food. This ability to adapt to various food sources has helped them thrive in diverse environments. Tail communication. A red fox's bushy tail, which can be up to 1/3 of its body length, serves more than just a balancing tool. It's also a means of communication. Foxes use their tails to signal emotions, such as fear or aggression, and they may also wrap it around themselves for warmth during colder months. Brown bears. Strong survival instincts. European brown bears are known for their incredible ability to survive in harsh conditions. They have a thick coat of fur that insulates them during cold winters, and their large paws allow them to travel long distances in search of food. Critical role in ecosystems. As apex predators and scavengers, European brown bears play an important role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. They help control populations of herbivores and smaller carnivores, and by scavenging carcasses, they help prevent the spread of disease. Seasonal behavior. Like other brown bears, the European brown bear hibernates during the winter months, typically from November to April, depending on the climate. During this time, they enter a state of torpor, where their body temperature drops slightly, but they remain semi-alert and don't eat, drink, or excrete waste. Diet diversity. European brown bears are omnivores and have a highly varied diet. They eat berries, nuts, roots, honey, small mammals, fish, and carrion. Their ability to adapt to different food sources has allowed them to thrive in diverse environments, from forests to mountain regions. Conservation success. While once endangered and heavily persecuted, European brown bear populations have been recovering in recent decades thanks to conservation efforts. They are now found in large parts of Eastern Europe, the Balkans, and parts of the Carpathian Mountains, and their numbers are slowly increasing as efforts to protect their habitats continue. Rabbits. Warren Wonderland. European rabbits live in large, interconnected underground burrows called warrens with separate rooms for sleeping, nesting, and escaping predators. Some warrens are over 100 years old. Breeding machines. A single pair can produce 30 to 40 offspring a year. Females can get pregnant again hours after giving birth. Kits are born blind but grow fur in a week and hop out by 3 weeks. Thump talk. They warn the colony of danger by stomping their hind legs. The vibrations travel through the ground, alerting others to hide. Eco-engineers. Native to Spain, Portugal, their digging aerates soil and spread seeds. But introduced to Australia in 1859, they became invasive, stripping vegetation and costing billions in damage. Disease decline. In their native range, myxomatosis and RHDV, deadly viruses, have slashed populations by 95% since the 1950s. Conservationists now vaccinate wild rabbits to help them recover. Rabbit teeth never stop growing. They munch on tough plants to grind them down. Hedgehogs. Spiky suit of armor. European hedgehogs have 5,000 to 7,000 spines made of keratin, like human hair and nails. When threatened, they roll into a tight ball, protecting their soft belly and face. Snail slurpers and insect lovers. They eat up to 200 grams of bugs nightly. Snails, slugs, beetles, and worms. Their tiny teeth crunch through exoskeletons like nature's pest control. Self-anointing oddballs. When they encounter new smells, like soap or tobacco, they lick the object, foam at the mouth, and spread the frothy spit on their spines. Scientists think it's for camouflage or parasite defense. Hibernation pros. In winter, hedgehogs hibernate for 4 to 5 months, slowing their heart rate from 190 to 20 beats per minute. They nest in leaf piles or under sheds, surviving on stored fat. Vanishing gardeners. Their populations have dropped 50% in 20 years due to habitat loss, pesticides, and roads. Creating hedgehog-friendly gardens with log piles and escape routes from ponds helps save them. They're immune to some snake venoms and can eat toxic creatures like toads without harm. Their poor eyesight is balanced by super strong smell and hearing. Wolves. Social pack dynamics. European wolves are highly social animals that live and hunt in packs. A typical pack consists of a family group with an alpha pair leading the pack. Pack members work together to hunt, protect their territory, and care for pups, with each wolf having a specific role within the group. Territorial behavior. Wolves are known for their strong territorial instincts. European wolves use scent marking and vocalizations, like howling, to communicate with other packs and establish boundaries. Howling is also a way to reunite with pack members or alert them to potential threats. Diet and hunting. European wolves are carnivores and typically hunt large ungulates, such as deer, wild boar, and roe deer. They are skilled hunters, relying on teamwork to chase and catch prey, often running in coordinated hunts that can last for hours. Rewilding success. European wolves were once nearly extinct in many parts of Europe due to hunting and habitat destruction. However, in recent years, successful rewilding programs and stricter protections have allowed their populations to recover. Wolves are now returning to regions where they were once absent, such as parts of France, Germany, and the Czech Republic. Communication and vocalizations. Wolves communicate with each other using a wide range of vocalizations, including howls, growls, whines, and barks. The iconic wolf howl can carry for miles and is used to coordinate movements with other pack members, warn rivals, or mark their territory. European wolves are vital to maintaining the balance of their ecosystems, helping regulate populations of herbivores and keeping the environment healthy.